Starting around the 19th of June 2023, AMP explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.44% in certainly most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally enormous manner. AMP especially has a fundamentally complete market cap of $84,764,934 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,825,360 in an unpretentious manner. This explicitly makes AMP by and large positioning at 251 in the cryptographic money market. So starting around the 19th of June 2023, AMP fundamentally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.44% in most recent 60-minute, which basically is very critical. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP essentially be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is AMP a very wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023? Will AMP cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is very critical? These really are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future in a truly significant manner. AMP value expectation 2023 as per the AMP conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the AMP value sort of is supposed to especially cross a kind of normal value level of $0. A normal most certainly least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to especially be $0, which is very huge. Besides, AMP can arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0, showing how starting around the 19th of June 2023 AMP generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.44% in most recent 1 hour in an essentially large manner. AMP value conjecture June 2023. The AMP cost for June 2023 may truly arrive at a sort of least worth of $0. The most extreme determined cost truly is around $0, a very huge manner. The in every way that really matters. Normal cost for AMP for the most part is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach $0 June 2023. So the very normal cost for AMP for the most part is by and large anticipated to explicitly reach $0 June 2023 in a for the most part huge manner. AMP value expectation July 2023. Concerning July 2023, AMP cost truly is estimate to in every way that really matters arrive at a flat-out least cost of $0. Exceptionally further appearance how MP has an especially complete market cap of $84,764,934 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,825,360. Fundamentally, in spite of prevalent thinking, the AMP cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0, the very normal expected cost around $0, exhibiting how in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP for the most part be really worth in 2023, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. AMP value expectation August 2023. The cost of AMP by and large is generally anticipated to truly reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0 August 2023 in a sort of significant manner. The AMP cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which certainly is very critical. AMP value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, AMP truly is supposed to basically arrive at the very least value worth of $0, which basically is genuinely critical. The AMP cost could by and large arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $0, the kind of typical cost around $0, or so they by and large thought. AMP value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the very greatest cost for AMP could generally stretch around $0, exhibiting the AMP value expectation 2023 as per the AMP gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the AMP cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal most certainly least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the very current year ought to basically be $0, or so they truly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in October 2023 generally is $0, a truly normal cost of $0, or so they basically thought. AMP value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the truly most extreme cost for AMP could truly stretch around $0. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in November 2023 especially is $0, a fundamentally normal cost of $0, or so they truly thought. AMP value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of AMP truly is for the most part anticipated to basically arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 and exceptionally least of $0, which sort of is genuinely critical. AMP pretty past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been in a real sense diminished by 0.36% in its fundamentally current worth, showing that in the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the AMP cost forecast finish of 2023. What will AMP by and large be worth in 2023? By and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we by and large look at the truly current market cap of the AMP with yesterday, you can see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, so AMP value forecast August 2023. The cost of AMP certainly is truly anticipated to truly reach at a kind of least worth of $0 August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the AMP really was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.49% in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP explicitly has shown extremely in every way that really matters. Solid exceptionally potential of late, and this could be generally excellent chance to in every way that really matters. Dive right in and contribute, or so they generally thought. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP really diminished by 49.817%. Wiping out an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of $0 its truly current worth. Certainly further appearance how AMP value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the by and large greatest cost for AMP could stretch around $0, which certainly is very huge. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a kind of good sort of purchase, a valuable open door for in every practical sense. Fast speculation, exhibiting how AMP value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for AMP could generally stretch around $0, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 58.95%, and the cost truly flowed from a really least certainly normal cost of $0 in every way that really matters. Greatest pretty normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. So from for the most part most recent 7 days, the AMP sort of was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.49%. All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking, AMP by and large is somewhere near 35.46% with the sort of greatest sort of typical cost of the coin in every practical sense. Was around $0, the genuinely least exceptionally normal value of was around $0 truly beyond 4 months, which explicitly shows that assuming you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP in every way that really matters be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? AMP value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will explicitly be AMP sort of worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? The AMP cost most certainly is estimated to really arrive at a very greatest degree of $0, pretty least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, exhibiting that MP value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, AMP is supposed to especially arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Does AMP certainly have a future in a genuinely significant manner? As far as value, AMP sort of has an exceptional kind of potential to arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner fundamentally. It for the most part is conjecture that AMP will increment in esteem, which generally shows that AMP value estimate December 2023. For December